If you're scared that you might be on the wrong career path and you see everyone panicking about AI taking their jobs and businesses, relax. Because I've discovered 6 specific AI skills that you need to make a lot of money this year. And by the end of this video, you know exactly what they are, their earning potential, and how to actually get started the right way. Because here's the brutal truth. You're putting in the work, but the money isn't moving. The people getting rich with AI aren't always the smartest people in the room. They're the ones who pick the right skill. So in this video, I'm going to share the 6 AI skills you need to make real money. We'll go from the fastest skills to get paid all the way to some of the highest paying skills on the planet right now. Over the years, I've built multi-million-pound businesses, spoken to tens of thousands of people around the world, and watched multiple technology shifts create life-changing opportunities. A few months ago, reports came out that Mark Zuckerberg was offering some of the top AI experts packages worth more than hundreds of millions of dollars. And that's not just a salary, that's the value of a skill. So if you still believe AI is something to be scared of, flip that belief right now. Now let's dive in. Skill number 1. One of the fastest ways to get paid in AI is by selling AI. There are thousands of companies that know that they need AI, but they have no idea what to buy or where to start. They're just really confused and they have the money. That is the gap. You are the person who explains it and sells it. Think of yourself as a real estate agent for AI. You don't build the house. You simply walk someone through the door, show them why it's worth it. Sales roles in AI are around 80,000 to 150,000 a year, and that's before commissions. Your first move is simple. Pick an AI model you understand, find 100 businesses that can use it, and offer to set it up for them. That's it. Skill number 2 is AI automation. Honestly, everyone else is hyping this one, and most of it is nonsense. The gurus will tell you that you'll become the next Jeff Bezos by connecting a few apps. That's BS. But the real version of the skill is incredibly valuable. Every business on earth is drowning in boring, repetitive tasks. Booking, data entry, follow-up emails, chasing leads, using tools like Make, Zapier, N8N. You build the systems that handle all of it automatically, 24 hours a day, with no salary and no complaints. There's a quote I love from a creator called Naval. Earn with your mind, not your time. Automation multiplies your output, allowing you to create more value without working hours. But do not be a generalist. Never say, I do automation. Pick one industry, dentists, real estate, gyms, and become the automation person for that one world. Specialists get paid, generalists get ignored. Quick one, I'm running an AI event that's going to show you exactly how to get started in AI to start and scale a business this year. Step by step, and also these spots go really fast. The link's actually in the description. Skill number 3, building AI content engines. Have you heard of how many creators now turn one podcast into dozens of pieces of content? A single 1-hour interview can become short form videos, LinkedIn posts, X threads, newsletters, email campaigns, and most of that content are no longer created manually. Small teams use AI and tools to transcribe, summarize, rewrite, edit clips to generate captions and schedule posts across multiple platforms. A business pays you once to build its content engine and then keeps it generating content from every podcast, webinar, or video they create. Your first move, take one long piece of content, a podcast or a video, and use AI to turn it into multiple posts, reels, carousels, stories, and emails, and even more. That single workflow is something businesses will happily pay you for. Skill number 4, data analysis. Skill number 4 sounds boring, and that's exactly why it's a goldmine. AI, data analysis. Every business is sitting on a mountain of data, sales numbers, customer information, messy spreadsheets everywhere, and almost none of them know what it's actually telling them. There's an old line I love. Without data, you're just another person with an opinion. You become the pocket analyst. You feed data into AI and pull the answer in minutes. A real example, one company fed AI everything about their best customers and asked one simple question: where do we find more of people like this? AI spotted that the customers in certain areas spent far more. They pointed their ads there and sales jumped. A human analyst might have taken 3 to 4 months to find that. Skill number 5, multimodal prompt engineering. Skill number 5 is where real money starts, and it's the one that most people get completely wrong. Prompt engineering. Now, I know you've heard a lot about prompt engineering hundreds of times, but 99% of people prompt like amateurs. They type, make me a thumbnail and wonder why it looks bad. The version of that actually pays is multimodal prompting, working with text, images, video, and audio together with precise instructions. Instead of make me a thumbnail, you give a full creative brief, style, colors, layout, logo placement, and the feeling. And here's the trick. To get AI to truly understand you, ask this. Act as an interviewer and ask me every question you need to do this perfectly. Then answer using the voice typing button and just ramble. The detail it pulls out of you produces results on a completely different level. Skill number 6, AI agent development. Now, skill number 6, one of the highest paid in the entire list. AI agent development. Everyone keeps asking, is AI going to take my job? If you do nothing, maybe. The people who learn to build AI agents are the ones doing the replacing and getting paid enormously for it. An AI agent is not a chatbot. It's a digital worker that does a real job. Qualify leads, handling support, running a workflow, 24 hours a day. No breaks, no complaints. And the interesting part is that you can start building agents with no code at all. Your first move, pick one repetitive task in any business. Write down every step that it takes and that becomes the blueprint, your first agent. So let's bring this all together. Skill 1, selling AI, the fastest way to get paid. Skill 2, automation, build systems that earn while you sleep. Skill number 3, content engines, get paid to build a machine. Step 4, data analysis, building pocket analysts for businesses. Skill 5, multimodal prompting, the skill that powers all the others. And skill 6, AI agents, one of the highest paid skills. Pick one and start this week. Now, if you're serious about making money in AI, register for my AI virtual event using the link in the description. I'll show you step by step how to turn these skills into real income this year. And also make sure you grab a copy of Money Unlocked. How do you make it, keep it, and multiply it? You can access it on Amazon. Order now and I'll also give you some exclusive bonuses that you don't want to miss. And if this helps you, hit subscribe because I'll share this kind of thing every week and you do not want to miss what's coming up next. And if you're still watching, watch this next. 10 ways to use ChatGPT that 99% of users do not know. It's so powerful, it almost feels a bit illegal. It picks up right from where this one left off and it'll make every single skill we've just covered easier to pull off. I'll see you in the next one. Take massive action.